So when I think about Brexit and when I think about it in my role in BT running technology, we are the third largest investor in the UK in research and development. So what I think is quite critical is that we continue to get access to some key European assets really, and those assets are funding, like the Horizon 2020 project, but also people as well. We do a lot of great collaboration with people from other European countries, and we need to find a way post-Brexit of that collaborative environment continuing. So one of the things we keep debating is standardization and its impact on NFV, networks functional virtualization. I think actually that's not the real issue right now. The real issue is asking our suppliers, our vendors, to collaborate with ourselves in understanding how we're going to deploy NFV. Whether we use open source or whether we use licensed solutions, less important at the moment. It's about interoperability, getting them to work together. Yes, standards will follow, but also it's critically about getting the commercial models right. What's slowing down NFV right now isn't the standards, it's getting the commercial propositions right. One of the untapped opportunities that we think about when we talk about SDN and NFV is actually about how we make the network much more real time. And by that I mean today we poll the network every so often saying, how was the last few minutes for you? And the network says it was okay, or it may say I had a problem. We need to change that dynamic such that the network is constantly streaming out to us the data, the insight into what that network is seeing at that moment. Remember, Usain Bolt runs the 100 meters in less than 10 seconds. I need to know what's happening in the network at that sort of granularity. The industry right now is talking about the move to 5G, and I also occasionally hear, what did 4G really deliver? Did it deliver on that promise? Well, just think back to pre-4G. We did not watch video on our smartphones prior to that. We have completely transformed how you use mobile and the mobile device through 4G. The other thing that we're doing through EE is providing all of the network capability for the emergency services network in the UK. 400,000 first responders will be relying on a commercial network in a couple of years' time. So much has been delivered through 4G. We see the evolution into 5G, and I use the word evolution deliberately, as an enhancement of capacity, a transformation in the cost to provide services, but also some great new service capabilities. And yes, those new service capabilities need full business cases developing. My prediction for 2018, being the technical guy in BT, where we now have both fixed and mobile, is that you will see propositions to our customers where we truly bring those two networks together in a ubiquitous way to create great products.